Hope you are all okay. Today I would like to continue on food dedicated to idols. There's a logo, the Rainforest Alliance. It's just a frog. It's an international non-profit organization that works to build a world where people and nature thrive in harmony. But it's a frog, and let's check what the Bible says about frogs. So we're at Revelation 16, passage 13. And I saw three unclean spirits like frogs come out of the mouth of the dragon, and out of the mouth of the beast, and out of the mouth of the false prophet. It's obvious, something looking like a frog, but not exactly a frog. Might be a demon, and I highly recommend just not buying anything with the logo. Okay, I think it might be dedicated to idols, and we know what Jesus said in the book of Revelation about Christians consuming food dedicated to idols. He was unhappy about people consuming food dedicated to idols. I think food dedicated to idols are everything with a name of foreign gods in the name in the name of the food, like especially exotic Asian sauces, foods, curries, all these weird logos. Just carefully. I know it's best to do like your food from scratch, but there's not always time for this, but very careful. I think QR codes are suspicious as well. Next time I will try to avoid those products. Just check your products, cosmetics, food, whatever. Just I recommend not to buy anything with QR codes on it. No foreign gods in the name. Anything weird. Just use your discernment. Pray to the Lord and use discernment. Cheers.